gooey stuff. We like that.
I can think of a couple of recently, but none of them got created. 6 days and 7 days rested. And also we are physical beings, and if we eat all the time, you may hike in the beach, then there's a rest period. So you're probably giving your body a rest period for a day, and that's probably good for the body to have that.
And I've heard people say that it's actually healthy for your body to give your body.
My hair is wind blown, ignore it. Hey, so we made it home. I'm now wearing something a little more appropriate for work. I have laundry ready to do here. I want to do the dishes, but I don't want to do the dishes at the same time. I'm just having an off day. Oops. That's a bad place for that. So yeah, we're having an interesting day. Hi, I don't know if you can hear me, but we are driving to work now. I took a short nap, about 30 minutes, took a short nap, just long enough so that I could say I napped, and I am on my way to work. I have to stop at the fountain, the spring first, and then I'm going to be going to work. So, here goes nothing. Brace yourself, it's almost time for work. I made it to work. As you probably can't tell, I've already started to sweat. I rolled up the windows on my car hand. Okay, so I'm heading in now. So it's gonna be a long and very hot day. But thankfully I got they had my grape Gatorade, so I'm so excited. I got 2, about this size. And then I filled my big bottle, with spring water. So I should be good to go. I'm always a thirsty bitch when it's hot. So, yep, let's get this day going. It's time to work. Hey, I made it out of work. I'm alive. I'm sweating to death, but I'm alive. I'm heading home now. It hasn't rained here yet. So, yeah, I will talk to you guys when I get home. Hey, so I made it home if you can't tell. My hair is so curly right now. You would not believe how curly it gets. It gets worse than this sometimes. Anywho, I'm about to go to bed. So I just want to say goodnight. So goodnight, sleep tight, and we'll see you all tomorrow. For a more boring vlog because I don't have anything to do tomorrow. So, yay for boring vlogs.